everyone, this is Banika and welcome to Property Drone. Today we are reviewing Legacy Milestone in Punavle, Pune. तो आइए बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल्स की। दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज स्प्रेड अक्रॉस 6.5 एकर्स विद 7 मैग्निफिसेंट टावर्स। और बात करते हैं स्टोरी एलिवेशन की, तो यहाँ पर आपको मिलती है बेसमेंट पार्किंग प्लस ग्राउंड प्लस 23 फ्लोर्स इन द स्काई। बात करते हैं अमेनिटीज की, तो यहाँ पर आपको मिलती है एम्पल ऑफ अमेनिटीज। एज यू कैन सी आपको मिलता है स्विमिंग पूल, वेरियस स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड एंड एन ओपन सिट आउट एरिया। और इससे भी बेहतर आपको मिलता है एक ग्रैंड 2 लेवल क्लब हाउस। All the amenities are provided on both ground and podium level. All the configuration and prices are on your screen and as per RERA, इस project का possession आपको मिलता है December 2029 में। So let's check out this beautiful 3 BHK of 1939 square feet. So entrance पर आपको मिलता है ये wooden finish door and keyless entry के लिए आपको मिलता है ये digital door lock system with a video door phone. So now let's check out this apartment. As you can see, the entrance lobby is so welcoming and spacious. यहाँ पर ठीक इसी तरह आप भी अपना storage cabinet डिजाइन कर सकते हैं। Now let's check out the living room. This is the spacious living room. As you can see that you can accommodate a 6 to 8 seater sofa right here, and right on the opposite, you have got the space for making your TV unit. Living room is full of ventilation and ample of light because of this attached balcony right here. As you can see how beautiful the view would be. Imagine. Now for your safety, you are getting this metal railings along with anti-skid flooring. इतने scenic view के ठीक पास है आपका dining area. As you can see that you can accommodate a 6 to 8 seater dining table right here. Now let's check out the kitchen, the heart of the home. As you can see, यहाँ पर आपको मिलता है L shape का platform along with space for your kitchen storage. Not only this, यहाँ पर आपको मिलती है attached dry balcony. This area you can utilize it as your utility and laundry use. Also for ventilation, you are getting this large size window with mosquito mesh. This apartment is beautifully designed in a butterfly layout, which means one room is on this side of the apartment and the other 2 are on that side. Come, let's check out the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. You can see how beautifully it is designed. ठीक इसी तरह आप भी अपना रूम डिजाइन कर सकते हैं। You can use this room as your guest room as well. यहाँ पर आपको enough space मिलता है to accommodate your queen size bed along with wardrobe space. यहाँ पर आपको ये space मिलता है जिसे आप अपना study corner भी बना सकते हैं। You also get this attached washroom which has designer dado tiles, anti-skid flooring and premium CP and sanitary fittings. You have this attached balcony right here. As you can see, ये balcony एक running balcony है which is connected to your living room's balcony as well. So ये थी आपकी attached balcony from the guest room to the living room. Come, let's check out the other 2 bedrooms. But I hope you like the flat till now. So do give us a call on the given number on screen. Let's take a look on this common wash basin right here. And not only this, you also get a common washroom right here, which has been designed with designer dado tiles, anti-skid floorings and premium sanitary and CP fittings. This is our second bedroom. You can see how beautifully and cozy it has been designed. आप भी ठीक इसी तरह अपना second bedroom डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. You can use it as your kids room as well. यहाँ पर आपको ample of space मिलता है to place your bed along with the wardrobe, a study corner and a dressing table as well. This room will be airy and full of light. As you can see, the large size window right behind the bed here. Come, let's check out the highlight of the apartment, the master bedroom, my own favorite. Oh my god, just have a look at this beautifully designed master bedroom. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर आप अपना king size, queen size bed accommodate कर सकते हैं along with the clear wardrobe space you get here. Not only this, you can place your side tables and a study corner on this side. As you can see on this side, you can utilize it as your TV unit. You can make a study space or even your small workstation. Not only this, यहाँ पर आपको मिलती है ये attached balcony right here. As you can see, for safety purpose, यहाँ पर आपको metal railings मिलती हैं along with anti-skid flooring, and you can enjoy your quality time with full privacy. The room is so beautiful. Come, let's check out the attached washroom right here. As you can see that the washroom is spacious. आपको मिलता है एक separate shower area. यहाँ पर आप एक ग्लास डोर लगा सकते हैं टू सेपरेट द वेट एंड ड्राई एरिया. The bathroom is designed with designer dado tiles, anti-skid flooring and premium fittings by Cera. I know that you loved this apartment, so do give us a call on the given number on screen to book your site visit today. I hope that you loved the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. I am Manika signing off.